Bakit mahalagang matutunan ng mga ina, lalo na ng mga single mothers, ang pagnenegosyo sa kasalukuyang panahon?
Mas lalo ngayon
Yes.
malaki mataas ang presyo ng mga gasolina.
Yes,
Oo.
correct. Alam mo, i-share ko lang din just to share with you. Sabi ng ADB, no, or Asian Development Bank, 55.8% of MSMEs in the countries are owned or led by women.
Wow.
So, mas majority,
Majority.
Majority of
Correct.
women.
No, majority of women. And of course, before ko po sagutin, I just want to highlight, I just want to say that every mom is wonderful and amazing. So whether you're a full-time mom or working mom or mompreneur, walang dapat maramdaman na guilt, no? Naniniwala pa rin ako dyan. Every mom is doing her best in her unique journey, and that is enough. And of course, para sa mga katulad ko na merong desire na mag-business, no? And kumbaga magkaroon ng additional income, I believe kailangan siyang matutunan, because as a mom, no, it will actually help us, number one, sa hirap ng ating ekonomiya, no, it would actually an opportunity, to have a more secure income for the family. And pangalawa, it will also add more parang security or confidence sa ating mga kababaihan, no?